Hi, my friends. Today we are going to discuss about a business opportunity that we can do online, we can do global, and that's the business of e-commerce. Here I'll be teaching you how I have done export of candles from India, decorative home decor from India using my e-commerce business. And I learned all these things while I worked with Amazon and Alibaba. Today I'm doing about $1 million worth of sales. And the same exact strategies you can copy and build your own e-commerce business. So even if you're a working professional, without any investment in buying the product or building the e-commerce infrastructure, paying to consultants, you can build it everything by yourself and build a highly successful, high profit business with my plug and play business opportunity. This is going to be an interesting concept because I will be giving you everything from my side. A plug and play e-commerce export startup where you will learn how to export artificial and decorative candles. This is a big niche, and here you can make great profits, maybe 10 times profit in this or more. And that also in wholesale, bulk. You can also sell through your own e-commerce store. I know that you don't have the products, but these products, whatever you're seeing right now, these products can be directly sold over e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon and through your own e-commerce store. So you can make great profits from this. And I will be providing you e-commerce store builder where you can simply list these products, design the website of your own with your own interests, how you want, and start selling these products on your e-commerce store. So you can name the store with your own thoughts, your ideas, add the products, start selling and make profits by selling candles. Scented candles are consumed every day because they're not something permanent. They're sustainable, they are degradable, they are part of the home decor and everyone wants it. They love it. So I love to start an e-commerce business by helping you, by guiding you. And this is my own e-commerce store where you can see like about $1 million of sales I have done in my own e-com business. Let me show you my products. About 8,000 plus products are there. And you can see even I'm selling these products. So if you see my last analytics of 30 days, and analytics and the maintenance, but yeah, I'm showing you everything live. It's not some screenshot. And let me show you my lifetime of analytics. What I do, I take care of wholesale business. I focus on getting at least $100,000 to $200,000 value of sale. So same way I can give you this e-commerce store builder. You can design this store. It's all easy, non-technical. I'll teach you how to do it. I'll also teach you how to work on Facebook, Meta ads, AdWords, and do search engine optimization, social media marketing, so you can build your e-commerce business from scratch. This is my domain name. In your case, I'll be giving you this store builder and your own domain name. And you will also add your own staff members if you have any. And you can also directly collect bank payment from your customers. So all these things are included into the single program itself. So what I'm giving you is a business opportunity. As you can see in Amazon.com, 6,000 sales are there for these candles at $16. That means about $70,000 somebody made by selling this candle only. $28 for this candle, and this should not cost more than 40 to 50 rupees. That's all. Maximum I'm talking about the wholesale price. And if you are able to sell this much in Amazon itself, you can make easily $60,000. That means about 45 to 50 lakh rupees you can make in this. Same way 8,000 sales at $16, 9,000 sales at $11. In the last month, 9,000 sale happened. 42,000 reviews are there, you can see. So just think like if people are buying such quantities of candles, so candle selling can be a great business opportunity. Same way look at this birthday candles. Look at the enormous number of reviews that are 5-star, 2,800 rupees and 24,000 people have given review. Look at Lazada.com. This is Singapore's website and 52,000 sales. So this is Rakuten. This is about electric candles, and you can see so many things are getting sold. It's not just about scented candles or natural wax candles, but everything gets sold, and this is a global product. That's why I'm showing you. This is Dubai's website. This is called noon.com. So everywhere you can see that these products have got sales. So I want to get started with my plug and play ready-made e-commerce startup opportunity, where I will be giving you the guidance, mentorship, and also the online course where you can learn digital marketing and e-commerce. With this all-in-one program, you can get started with this 17 modules, which you can learn completely about e-commerce and digital marketing. And end of this, you will also get certification from me, where you can learn about e-commerce sales and marketing practically online, and you can get started with the business. So I suggest you to join my all-in-one e-commerce certification program, which is registered, globally valid, and you will be learning everything from us from scratch. So if you're a student or a working professional, you can get job opportunities. You can also start your own e-commerce business with us. And this program is coming with lifetime of access, update, and support, and it's fully affiliated by Ministry of Education, AICT, EDI, and many more government bodies, which you can see here. All these are from Alibaba and Amazon, and we are fully approved and accredited institute. I have myself been training and mentoring and guiding entrepreneurs along with me and making them successful exporters of Indian products to the international market. And it's not just me, it's about other entrepreneurs and experts also who are helping us in this vision and mission of IIC's exports. So my experience comes in working with Alibaba Group and Amazon as the global partner and director, worked with WTO as the jury, and also currently working as chairman of Indian Institute of E-commerce. Many of my students are currently working with Amazon and top brands, and they've given great amount of reviews, which helps us to build our content more better and improve so that you can build successful e-commerce businesses. So you saw that decorative candles have got amazing sales, like 9,000, 10,000 people are buying every month, and you can easily generate 40 to 50 lakh rupees from a single product. There are manufacturers who design and manufacture these things, and there is we who will be building an e-commerce store. With my mentorship and guidance on digital marketing, you'll be able to sell these products online and make profits. Since these products have got a different emotion in that, because these are scented candles, so people keep buying repeatedly if they like your product. And of course, they will like your product. I'll give you the supplier's contact and we will be able to build an e-commerce store. I'll also teach you how to find suppliers, how to find buyers. I'll also give you the database of buyers so you can have a complete end-to-end e-commerce store which you can build and manage all with your control, and you can switch from your job to a full-time entrepreneurship journey with my program. So how much this business opportunity should cost? Just think, just guess, where you're getting everything from me as a complete bundle. Nobody will charge you less than 15 to 20 lakh rupees for such a business opportunity, because you'll make at least 10 to 12 lakh rupees a month in this business. And that's where I recommend you to get started with doing this mentorship program and starting with this plug and play ready-made e-commerce business, which is all inclusive at this amount. So this is the lowest possible price you're investing in starting a business. If you have to buy a shop also today, it will be lakhs of rupees of investment in rent, and putting the products and starting an e-commerce business is easy, low cost alternative. With the mentorship and guidance, you will become successful. Just getting a store is cheaper, but starting a business with the right guidance and support will be the best strategy that you can do. You can go for a credit card based EMI also. So instead of paying this entire amount at once, you can go for up to 24 months EMI, which will be just less than 5,000 rupees a month. So in this very less amount, you can get started. So if it is just monthly 5,000 rupees of investment, you can get started with this plug and play ready-made e-commerce business today and transform your financial career. So join us today in this e-commerce revolution, and let's work on e-commerce exports together. No investment in inventory or anything, just pure e-commerce export business with IIC.